In the webinar we had today for a number of European and American journalists, we spoke about a couple of things. One, whether the regime has the money and the resources to deal with the coronavirus crisis in Iran, and two, if the answer is yes, why is it not using those assets to help the Iranian people deal with this pandemic? As for the first question, we talked about specifically 4 major economic powerhouses: the Astan Quds Razavi in Mashhad, the Setad, which is called the headquarters to execute the Imam Khomeiни's order, so-called, the Mostazafan Foundation, or the Foundation of the Abbas, and of course the IRGC's Khatam al-Anbiya construction garrison. And we demonstrated that each of these foundations and conglomerates has billions and billions of dollars worth of assets under its control, and they basically control 60% of the Iranian economy. As to the second part of the question, we said that the issue for the regime has never been lack of money or funds. The issue has been priorities, whether to help save the lives of the Iranian people or work to preserve the mullah's grip on power. And of course, as has been the case for the past 41 years, the number one priority of this regime has always been to preserve its repressive rule at all costs. That is why it has not spent any money whatsoever out of hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars available to it to deal with the crisis, to provide with badly needed essential materials, gloves, disinfectants, ventilators, and even pay the medical staff, nurses, and others who are working to help save the lives of the Iranian people.